Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
yazi wena impumelelo kusho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi yonke lento umdlalo ungalinge nje uthi lento uyithathe kumina
Azwamakhehle vele ekugcineni fanele kube umuntu ungangazi ambathe
Kuthiwa bebelo nami yabe ngizoba eyabo kade babefunana phela ngesibhakela abantu kade befunana ngesibhakela yabayeka balwe mhlampe-ke uyokhuza sekukhala omunye-ke.
Hhayi-ke manje sizasifundela ukuthi kahle kahle uBhubezi uSibindi Mpumelelo Mseleko. Le nto lena yinto esegazini lakhe. It's not like ubone kubabakhe. I think this is actually a joke vele. Like le polygamous yakhe lo bizathi Sithembu i-joke kuye. And not just a joke. Kuye it's like udlala abafazi. And for me, it will be simple for Mpumelelo to just date these girls. Angaba-promise umshado. Fine, laba sekabazalisile abantwana bapromisele everything and stuff, but make up to that. Like, okay, fine, uzalisile, but then nakekela abantwana bakho, be there for your children. Yekela indaba yamatshitshi already, like, you have two yabantombazana abaprege abantwana bakho, unabantwana bayi-3, but still, you still want to have ijiji. What about those boys babantwana bakho mabakhula bazothini? They will also abandon abantu ababapregisayo just ukuthi bathole amajiji. And then maqedile, you have the nerve to go and marry umuntu obengakasiyitshitshi, upay ilobola for yena, and make umama womntwana wakho a side chick. We may blame uTirelo all we want, but then uSibindi we have to like seem held accountable, because what is this? Ntshonle shuthi phela yena i-main aim yakhe kulokubhiza akhalisa namantombazane. Like uma ungabafuni wangabatshela ukuthi angifuni, then ukuthi umthathe umenze as i-main. Akekho umuntu oyi-main chick, guys. As long loyo mfana loyo angakushadanga, you're not a main chick. Uyazifanela nawo wonke lama-girlfriend othi ukuchithele nawo. Now you part of those girlfriends. And worst part this time, uthathe lo mfazi lo wamshada amahle, wathi maceda ukumshada sekayenza wena ini? I-side chick. Imagine, after fighting novuyokazi, yo guys, yazi futhi indaba yakaTirelo lena ingistressa kokugcina nje. But nje I just wish at least amahle amane ahlalise like uMpumelelo, yazi amhlalise, because ushilo wathi ufuna umfazi wamakhehla, which akamtholanga. That means akekho umfazi wamakhehla. Lo amshadile ongasiyitshitshi, by the way, akahlale naye. If Tirelo yahamba akasapota abantwana bakhe, ahlale no-Amahle, akhe ahlale phansi, yazi ahlale phansi uSibindi, guys. Yo, hayi sizwile ngaye shem uBhubezi. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.